Hello and namaste everyone. So guys, are you stuck about your career? Are you stuck in your career? Let's have a small guidance. Let's see what comes up about your career. Till then, please think about your career, about your finances. Let's see what comes up. Yes, so let's start. And here's the first message which says endings. The cycle is over. It's time for you to make a change, rebirth. It's time to say goodbye. So, guys, if you are stuck in some or the other thing, if you're stuck in your career, in your finances, so it was some or the other cycle that was going on, or maybe a phase, or maybe a karmic cycle, and that has come up to an end. Beautiful message, so do claim it, I would say. So now just say goodbye, and I would say that please don't keep on thinking about it, like what will happen, like from years I was stuck and how now it will. Please don't think, otherwise you will attract the same thing again. Second message for you all is social status. You will reach the heights of fame and society. Cool. But don't get arrogant on this. So yes, your time is coming. Be ready. Star power. Become an influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity. Step into the spotlight. So, if you're already working somewhere, so here's what you need to make some changes. You know, you have some hidden talent within you, you can do something else also, like when there is company function, annual functions and all, you can be unique over there, you can do your own thing. So yes, step into that and you will become famous. This is what has been said. Wrong decision. Reckless behavior can lead to bad consequences. Think before you act. Now this can be a message for a lot of them, so beware. Let's have a guidance on what you can do. So, guys, here's a message for you. Positive vibes. Make a habit to donate some part of your income on regular basis. The time, money, and other resources you donate will ensure that your positive energy multiplies. So, guys, here another thing I would like to say to you is donation always doesn't comes with money. If you are not having that much money for now, I would say, so you can always donate in some or the other ways in your best possible way. This is what I would say. Thank you.